Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another vlog. We got an errand to run and we found this opportunity to make a short video. It's going to be the first video on the GSX-R. We're testing a lot of things. We're testing the sound, we're testing a helmet, we're testing the connectivity, the microphone, the whole setup. I hope it turns out good. I ain't going to take much of your time. It's going to be like 5 minutes tops. Just a general update and a little bit, you know, just to see how all the new things are looking out to be. The bike is doing great after we fixed a lot of mechanical issues that we had. Like I said, we're in the process of testing the sound. We had a couple of problems with the GoPro. Hopefully it's battery related and not the actual GoPro, the actual camera. In any ways, we're still checking on this. We've done a couple of upgrades onto the bike. We added the new Michelin Pilot Power 2CT tires, which are breaking in currently. We added a clutch and a brake lever, as can be seen, with little gold accents, and a Barracuda brake fluid reservoir. There's still some pending jobs to do when it comes to the hosing. These are silicone hosing, which are not good, so I might need to replace these, meaning that I have to keep my eye on the brake in case it doesn't give. I don't think it's going to have a problem, but as can be seen, it's not proper silicone. You need a harder hose for this. As far as cost wise, this was around €58. The two adapters for Puig on the levers were 30 each and around 40 each for the levers. So this is the update that we've done. It's more aesthetically cosmetic, let's say, but it also gives us a nice feel. In general, to keep things short, the bike is doing excellent. It's doing fucking unbelievable. Yeah, I'm fucking loving it. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's great. But you do need to take care. You need to be cautious a lot. The helmet also, as far as I have tested it, which just has been literally like 1-2 rides, it's beautiful also. It's Nova, which I think is a brand that I have not seen overseas. I think it's only in Greece. I could be wrong. It's around €250 for the helmet. It's carbon, it's racing, and it's the cheapest thing that you can get, which can be also lightweight and safe. And the audio setup, like I said, the technical difficulties is an ongoing project. It's a never-ending going project, which obviously we're going to keep an eye out and you know, hopefully we'll try to fix things in order for a better audience from your side. Yeah, so like I said, I need to go get some stuff, and I thought, you know, since you got the new helmet, since you got everything new, you know, slap the camera on and just test it and see what it sounds like. Let me open that up a little bit, see how the sound, the audio goes. It is quite windy today. With whatever you like and with whatever you enjoy. I'll bid you goodbye, guys. We'll talk soon.